The camwood dust is dry on Owakwe Nwodo's shoulders when the drums change tempo at the Iri Ji ground at Amokwe, Udi. 19. His age grade's chosen challenger, the square smelling of roasted yam and trampled grass. The crowd presses tight, mothers on their toes, boys on their fathers' shoulders, the ogene cutting sharp above the talking drum. Owakwe has not eaten properly in 2 days. He told no one. The elders here say hunger sharpens a wrestler, and he has built his bout on that belief. His opponent grips his wrist. Owakwe's vision closes at the edges like a lamp running low on oil, and he does not fall. A truth sits in him unexamined. He starved himself for this day. His trainer, Mazi Uzoma, watches with an expression Owakwe cannot read. Ndewo. No. I am Yvonne Mbanefo, heritage futurist and daughter of the soil. Welcome to Igbo Daily Drops. Episode 119, Week 24, Day 4. At Amokwe's wrestling ground, the strongest thing a young man could do wasn't win the bout. It was look an elder in the eye and say, Ago nagum. I am hungry. Ka anyị bido. Let us begin. Mazi Uzoma breaks protocol, steps into the circle and asks the referee to hold. Nearby, masquerade drummers keep the rhythm, and a woman in her Sunday wrapper claps at the front row. No one in Amokwe finds this strange. These same elders will pour libation before tomorrow's yam is cut. Uzoma crouches level with Owakwe's face. Behind them, an old woman mutters that this year's yams came up smaller than her grandmother's did. Today, 3 sentences that let your body speak before your pride can stop it. Repeat after me. Sentence 1. Ike gwụrụ. In English, I am tired. Ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. Ike gwụrụ. Owakwe's legs are already saying it. Sentence 2. Agụụ na-agụ. In English, I am hungry. Agụụ na-agụ. Agụụ na-agụ. Agụụ na-agụ. Uzoma isn't waiting for an apology. He is waiting for the truth. Sentence 3. Biko, nye m nri maka na agụụ na-agụ. In English, please give me food because I am hungry. Biko, nye m nri maka na agụụ na-agụ. Biko, nye m nri maka na agụụ na-agụ. Biko, nye m nri maka na agụụ na-agụ. The crowd is already moving. These sentences are in your free speaking workbook. Download at learnibonow.com. Uzoma does not raise his voice. Say it, he tells him. Quite enough, only the front row hears. Uwakwe's mouth moves before his mind decides. Agụụ na-agụ m. I am hungry. The words leave him like something set down after a long carry. No one laughs. A woman near the rope breaks a piece of roasted yam, passes it hand to hand until it reaches him. He eats standing. The whistle sounds. His opponent lifts him off the ground, and Uwakwe does not fall. What almost cost Uwakwe the ground wasn't his opponent's grip. Onye kpuchie ọrịa, ọnwụ egbuo ya. Onye kpuchie ọrịa, ọnwụ egbuo ya. One who hides an illness dies from it. What you conceal to protect your pride is rarely what protects you. In Igbo land, we are taught that a secretive person is held in contempt, never respected for silence. Victor Uchendu documented this in 1965. Interdependence is a constant theme in Igbo folklore. No individual is self-sufficient. The Andean Aini system runs on the same law. What Igbo elders practiced as survival, Western psychology only named decades later. The Igbo village-speaking gym will soon be open for practicing these sentences with family. Before today ends, say agụụ na-agụ m aloud as you eat. Not practice, declaration. The illness hidden is the one that wins. Every sentence you learn is a drop, and every drop feeds Oke Osimiri Mmụta Igbo, the ocean of Igbo knowledge. Grab your free speaking workbook at learnibonow.com. This has been your Igbo Daily Drop. Abụ m nwanne gị nwanyị Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. I am your sister Yvonne Choma Mbanefo. Ka ahụ gị kwuo eziokwu mgbe niile. May your body always tell the truth. Ka anyị hụ echi. Until we meet again tomorrow.